Referee Troy showing off the Unified Championship.
Let's go, Toa! Let's go!
There we go, the gold. Beautiful gold belt. You've never seen a belt like that.
Oh, you love to see it, Jason. Made it.
Gold boy. There we go. Championship on the line. Look how fit Sledgehammer is. Look at the arms on him, just power.
That is why it's called the Toa Takeover, Jason.
Well, it is.
You ain't taking shit, Sledge!
But Sledgehammer.
Sledgehammer indeed, Jason. Yes, what a match you've put together tonight for the IPW Unified Championship.
Two crowd favourites and pretty evenly matched. On paper, at least.
The power, the speed, the agility.
Who are you talking about?
Both men, Jason.
Of course. It'll be interesting to see what the strategies are tonight in this match between these two. Sledge will be looking to show off his strength and his height advantage.
Absolutely, but
Toa's just going to show off his toughness, I think, and his charisma.
oh, these two men, Jason, feeling each other out. One more time.
Can he do it?
The power of Sledgehammer.
You saw the Sledgehammer.
Listen to that crowd, Jason. Torn down the middle.
You saw Sledgehammer get his body weight down and all in on that shoulder block. Here we go, test of strength. Oh, Toa with the shot. That's all fair. Well, that one's not so well. Right into the throat. This is questionable.
Well, there's nothing Sledgehammer's seen before. A former Unified Champion himself, Jason.
Yeah.
Back when it was still 2 belts.
He'd love the belt back, wouldn't he?
Give him some of that culture!
Yowie. Wow. My goodness. He's fired up tonight.
All 3 members of Kulture tonight, Jason, in championship matches.
Let's go, Toa!
Unified Champion Toa, Women's Champion Eugenie later tonight, and of course, Moko Kai taking on Chad Atlas for the Heavyweight Championship.
Cannot wait. Oh, look at this. Shots from Sledgehammer in the midsection. Got him around the waist. Oh!
The ease that Sledgehammer sent Toa across the ring.
Yeah.
His strength is incredible.
A released German suplex, and he did it with ease, and Toa's no small child. He's a big dude to try and pick up. He's going to do it again, perhaps. Oh no, Toa fighting back. Elbow. 4 of them. Turns around. Punch. Yes, using your head. Oh.
Seeing the eyes of Sledge, Jason. That headbutt might have taken it out of him.
Well, Sledgehammer's down on his knees for a little bit, but he got back to his feet pretty quick, and he does it again. You watch this. Sledgehammer does not want to be down on the mat.
Again with those shots. Almost collapsing the chest of Sledgehammer.
Holy cow, this is incredible. I mean, I I thought this match would be good, but this is amazing.
That's right, man. Whittle him down. That's our champ. That's right.
He is the man.
So wanting to rejoin his stablemates as IPW Unified Champion. Sledge tees off with a hard knee and a fist to the back.
Well, yeah, indeed. Kulture owns all 3 championships at the moment. Holy cow, Slam and Sam would be proud of that one.
It ain't yours, jackass. Sledge, you suck. You suck, Sledge. Come on, Toa. Let's go, Toa.
Sledge has got him right where he wants him in the corner. He just wail away on him. Oh. Neutralized by the headbutt.
Oh my God, Sledgehammer taken down with that shoulder block.
And this is a bad place for Sledgehammer to be, on his back. Toa wants to just keep him on the ground for a while, wear him down, reverse chin lock, and he can just cinch it in. Sledgehammer, all the pressure's on him. Toa can just take a bit of a rest now.
There'll be no rest for Toa, Jace, because Sledgehammer's getting back to his feet.
Yeah, well, he didn't want to stay on that hold for any length of time. Not being able to breathe will empty the tank pretty quick.
Just beating Toa to the ground.
I'm in
one knee. Toa's back up. Toa's got him up.
Samoan drop. Sledgehammer pulling himself up with the ropes.
Grab that shit.
You can't keep the guy down. A second one. Now this might.
One more time.
Sledgehammer about to get covered, I believe. No.
Sledgehammer getting to his feet again.
One more time.
After 2 devastating Samoan drops. A third!
That's it.
A trio of Samoan drops, Jason.
Incredible. Three Samoan drops. You only got 2 counts. Hate to say it, but that's the way the referee saw it.
Toa convinced it was 3, but Sledgehammer did get his shoulder up for 2. The IPW Unified Championship match continues.
Oh, a brutal headbutt right on the top of the skull. Sledgehammer dazed. Only the ropes are holding him up. As Toa backs him into the corner, fires him across the ring. Holy cow, you saw the ring move. Taken down. Wow.
Again, Jason. Sledgehammer getting that shoulder up.
Sledgehammer may be a sledgehammer, but Toa's acting like a big axe, chopping him down. What am I supposed to do? What are you supposed to do? Look, you'll think of something.
You heard Toa yourself, Jason. What could he even do to keep the big man down?
Well, he's definitely got Sledgehammer hurt. Oh, Sledgehammer coming back. Just, oh, boom. Big forearm smash from Sledgehammer. He takes a shot to the midsection. 3 of them. Toa off the ropes. How does this ring survive, hey? Holy cow.
Sledgehammer almost spine busting Toa all the way through the canvas.
Oh my gosh. It was about 34 on the Richter scale.
Toa. Throwing his shoulder up.
It all rhymes. Doesn't matter, buddy. Look.
Come on, Toa.
Sledge going for the cover again. He's just sort of like, almost like a ground and pound sort of maneuver.
It's hard to see from this angle, Jason.
If I was Toa, I'd go and try and grab him around the throat. Oh, hang on. We might be getting...
No, Toa seems to have Sledgehammer in some form of submission. Sledge holding on. Sledgehammer's getting to his feet. No, it's not enough.
Just
Sledgehammer's
pound him.
beating Toa.
Smart move. Keep him on the mat. Knocking.
That's my boy.
Sledgehammer. What a
Toa
match.
trying to take out Sledgehammer with that sleeper hold. The Sledgehammer just beat him back.
Sledgehammer grabbing his neck. This is incredible from Sledgehammer.
Guys, this is the only first of 3 championship matches.
Oh my gosh. We just about lost the corner post there. Jeez.
Come on, man.
Yeah, see the ringers.
Come on, Toa.
Swaying and all sorts of contortions.
You think this is bad, Jason? Just imagine. Oh my God!
Ring post. Toa got the shoulder block. Not going for the cover.
Taking off at 100 kilometers an hour. And now Toa ascends.
If he hits this, it's all over. It's got to be. He nailed it. Going for the cover.
Jason! Gets the ace. Sledgehammer at 2 3/4. Have you ever seen anything like it before?
That's as close as it's going to get. Now, Toa shouldn't get frustrated here. He's got to recollect and go, all right, I've just about beat the guy by a fraction of a second.
You're absolutely right, Jason.
I'd go for a cover or a submission right now.
Toa cannot afford to lose focus.
Come on, Toa.
This is where he needs a manager or something at ringside to help him out. The crowd, maybe.
Toa sizing up Sledgehammer, but you saw Sledgehammer. Look into those eyes, into the eyes of a maniac.
Oh, what a match. That's going to hurt. Oh, big kick.
Come on.
Up into the ribs. Oh, wow.
Toa's got him.
That's how you do it, baby.
Ladies and gentlemen, your winner of the match, and still IPW Unified Champion, Toa.
JCS, what a championship match. With that very title you carried out, the Unified